So in this video we discuss some of the Windows Alt code for fraction. That is, if you are using your desktop computer, then you can see that first you must turn on the number lock in your keyboard. So I'm going to turn on the number lock so you can see the light appear here. Now I'm going to press my one finger in this Alt key on my left side. I am not removing my finger from this key. And in this numeric keypad section I type 0188 and now I release my finger from this Alt key. So you can see that 1 by 4 have been arrived here. Similarly, if you want to type 2 by 4, so I'll show you how to type 1 by 2 now. So this number lock is on, you can see the light here, and I'm going to type in this area. At the same time my one finger should be in the Alt key. I'm not removing my finger from this key. At the same time I'm typing in the number lock number part, and here I am going to type 0189 and now I release my finger from this Alt key. So fraction 1 by 2 arrived here. One of my finger in Alt key, and at the same time I type here 0190. Now I release the finger from this key. You can see fraction 3 by 4 arrived here. Thank you.